how much should you actually spend on a language translation device? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, EUQQ AI Translation Earbuds. Let's kick things off with the EUQQ AI Translation Earbuds. Priced at $45.78, what caught my attention was its promise of real-time translation in 144 languages. If you want seamless communication during your travels or business meetings, this is worth a serious look. Imagine chatting with someone in Spanish while you're both on a call. It's that smooth. The open-ear design makes them comfortable for all-day wear, and with features like music playback and a smart touch screen, they're really versatile. I was genuinely surprised by how easy it was to switch between translation modes. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being as strong as dedicated music earbuds. Here's the thing though, it's primarily a translator, not a music device. If you're looking for something to just translate and don't mind sacrificing a bit of audio fidelity, this one's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you travel often or need a quick way to communicate in different languages. Skip this if you're an audiophile looking for top-notch sound quality. For the price, they offer impressive functionality. Now, if the sound quality issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Pickle Translation Earbuds. Next up, we have the Pickle Translation Earbuds priced at $50.87. What grabbed my attention is their support for 198 languages. If you want a device that truly keeps up with the global nature of travel, this is worth a serious look. These earbuds excel with their 3-in-1 functionality, translation, music playback, and calling all in one. Imagine being in a crowded cafe and still being able to communicate efficiently. That's the power of their triple mic noise cancellation. I was impressed by how they maintain clarity even in busy environments. However, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better. Honestly, while you get about 10 hours of playtime, if you're on a long trip, you might find yourself recharging more often. But if you carry the charging case, it extends to a whopping 60 hours, so it balances out nicely. This is perfect for you if you need a translator that doubles as a versatile earbud for music and calls. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-compact. For the price, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious business use. Product number 3, Time Kettle W4 Pro. Coming in at a hefty $507.51, the Time Kettle W4 Pro is the premium choice on our list. This caught my eye due to its dual-channel design that allows real-time translation in 40 languages. If you're serious about global business communication, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive here is the bidirectional voice translation, which captures both speakers simultaneously, perfect for meetings. Plus, the triple mic noise cancellation means you can focus on the conversation even in noisy environments. I didn't expect to see such advanced features in a translator, making it feel like a true business tool. However, the price tag is a big leap from the previous options. Some may find it hard to justify spending that much on a translator. But if you travel frequently for work and need reliable, high-quality translations, the investment can pay off big time. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself in multilingual business settings. Skip this if you only need a translator for casual travel. While it's pricey, the functionality justifies the cost. Now, if that price was a concern, the next product might be a better fit for budget-conscious users. Product number 4, BSDBOO Portable Translator. Next, we have the BSDBOO Portable Translator priced at $97.93. This one immediately caught my eye because it supports 150 languages and even offers offline translation. If you want a reliable partner for travel without always needing Wi-Fi, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is its dual-function voice and photo translation. This makes navigating foreign countries so much easier, especially when you're trying to read signs or labels. I genuinely found this feature to be a game changer during my travels, but here's the downside. The translation can be a bit slow at times compared to real-time devices. Some users have mentioned this could be frustrating during fast-paced conversations. Still, if you're willing to wait a moment for accuracy, it's a fantastic device for the price. This is perfect for you if you're traveling to places where internet access is spotty. Skip this if you need instant translations for professional settings. For under $100, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a great option. But the last product on my list might just be the simplest and most user-friendly of them all. Product number 5, Herpla Language Translator Device. Finally, we have the Herpla Language Translator device at $57.23. This compact device caught my attention with its straightforward design and ease of use. If you want something simple for quick translations, this is worth a serious look. This device translates voice and text instantly, which is great for basic conversations. Plus, the ability to translate 138 languages means you're covered for most travel scenarios. I found it really user-friendly, which is a big plus for anyone who wants hassle-free communication. However, it doesn't have the advanced features of some pricier models like offline capabilities or extensive language options. This might be a deal-breaker for serious travelers or business users. But if you're looking for something simple and effective, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a device that's easy to carry and use. Skip this if you need extensive language support or advanced features. For its price, it's a practical choice. Now let's wrap this up and give you a quick comparison of all 5 devices. So to recap, we started with the AUQQ AI translation earbuds, perfect for seamless communication at a great price. The Pickle translation earbuds offered a versatile option with great sound but a slightly lower battery life. The TimeKettle W4 Pro is an investment for serious business communication, while the BSDBOO portable translator shines for offline use. Finally, the Herpla Language Translator device is ideal for those looking for simplicity on a budget. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.